Good morning, student. Welcome to our online classes. Student, today I will teach you English language. Okay, this work you have to do in your language notebook. And dear parents, please ignore the submission date. The topic of today is verb. The verb. The definition of verb is: a verb is a word which says something. All saying or doing words are called verbs. The words is, are, will, are all helping verb. Okay, this is the definition. It means word which says something. Suppose if you are laughing, it means what you are doing, you are laughing. Then word laughing is verb. Suppose you are climbing on a tree. What are you doing? You are climbing on a tree. The word climbing is verb. Okay. Now I will explain it like this. Here, look at here. Mental action. Action which we does mentally. That are also verb. For example, I think it is a beautiful painting. I think. I highlight the verb with green color. In this sentence, what the I is doing? I is thinking. Think. Sochna. I is thinking. I is doing thinking na. So he is doing thinking. It means what think is our verb. Understand? Now one more example. The boys likes cakes and muffins. What the boy likes, what the boys are doing, boys are liking. In this sentence, boy are liking cakes. Like is our verb. This is our work and we said it verb. It is our both thinking and liking. Think and like. Think karna or like karna, both are our mental actions. Okay. So think word and word like, both are our verb. Second, physical action. Sometimes we does physical action. The physical actions are also our verbs. In our first example, grandpa. Physical action. Grandpa sleeps for 2 hours in the afternoon. What the grandpa does in afternoon? Grandpa sleeps. Sleeping is our physical action. Okay. So word sleep is our verb. What the grandpa is doing? Grandpa is sleeping in this sentence. Word sleep is our, this word sleep is our verb. Now second, father reads the newspaper daily. In this sentence, what the father is doing? Father is reading. Father is reading. What the father is doing? Father reads the newspaper. So this word read. Read is our verb. Sleep and reads both are, sleeps and reads both are our physical action. So both words are our verb. In this sentence, grandpa sleeps, and in this sentence, second sentence, father reads a newspaper. So sleep and reads, both words are our verbs. Understand? Now here, what someone or something is or was. Is means है, present. We use this word is word with present. Work which we are doing in our present, we use is. Okay. And was means past. Was means था, खाया था, सोया था. Was means past. Example, this is my pen. Word this is our verb. Second, the dogs were barking. Dogs were. This word is, we use were with plural. Suppose I will write here cat. Okay, the cat. Then we will use was with cat. Cat is a singular word na? So with singular we use was, and with plural we use were. In this sentence we are using were. The dogs were barking. This word were is also our verb. Understand? Now types D. What someone or something has or owns. Something has, जो हमारे पास है, और owns, और जो हम कमाते हैं. वो वर्ड भी, उन वर्ड्स को भी हम क्या कहते हैं? वर्ब. वी ऑल्सो कॉल दैट वर्ड वर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, they have a beautiful garden. Again here, they is a plural word, so with plural word we use have. They have a beautiful garden. Have, उनके पास है ये चीज़, beautiful garden. Okay, second, we had a lovely cottage in the hills. Lovely cottage in the hills में उन्होंने क्या किया है? Owns, उन्होंने उसे हासिल किया है. We had a lovely cottage in the hills. So the word have and had both are our verb. Okay, I will tell you after this what we call it. Had, have, is, were, was. Okay. Now E. What someone or something has or had. In this example, she has a beautiful bad. Oh, sorry. She has a very bad cold. What she has? She has a very bad cold. This has word is our verb. Now in second sentence, you had a lovely party yesterday. What he had? He had a lovely party yesterday. So the word has and had both are our verbs. Now here, main and helping verbs. Verb can be divided into two types. We can divide the verb into two types. First is the basis of what they do, and second is verb can be divided into two types on the basis of what they do. We can divide the verb into two parts in base of what they do. Now next page. In next page I will explain it more. Verb. Here I am telling you the two types of the verb. First is main verb and second is helping verb. In a sentence, sometimes we have main verb and sometimes we have main verb and helping verb both. That I am going to explain you here. Main verb function by themselves. Okay, main verb function by themselves. They do not need the help of any other verb. Main verb do not need the help of any other verb. For example, here you can see I like oranges. Like. What the I is doing? I is liking. What is liking? Oranges. This word like, it is a verb. It is main verb. I like oranges. Like is our main verb. Okay. There are times when main verb need the help of other verb. Sometimes the main verb need the help of some helping verbs. Without helping verbs, the meaning of the sentence not completed. So, sometimes the main verb need the help of helping verb. Such verb which help the main verb. This type of verb which help the main verb, we call it helping verbs. Our helping verbs are is, are, was or were. Okay. Now here I am explaining the helping verb. Helping verb are verbs that help the main verb. What? Helping verb are the verbs that help the main verb. For example, in this example, you can understand easily what is a verb, main verb, and what is a helping verb. Here, example, I am riding a horse. What the I is doing? I is doing riding. It means riding is the main verb. Riding is a main verb because I is doing riding. What the I is doing? I is riding. Riding on a horse. And here am. Am is our helping verb. In Hindi, I will explain it in Hindi also. I am riding a horse. ये जो I वर्ड है ये क्या कर रहा है? ये राइडिंग कर रहा है, घुड़सवारी. मैं घोड़े में घुड़सवारी कर रहा. The meaning of riding is कर रहा. Is it complete sentence? तो मैं घोड़े में सवारी कर रहा, ये पूरा हो गया आपका क्या सेंटेंस? नहीं ना, हमें हूँ वर्ड भी तो चाहिए इसे कंप्लीट करने के लिए. मैं घोड़े में सवारी कर रहा हूँ, घुड़सवारी कर रहा हूँ. तो हूँ वर्ड के लिए वी यूज एम. अंडरस्टैंड? विदाउट एम दिस सेंटेंस इज इनकम्प्लीट. व्हेन वी पुट एम, तो दिस सेंटेंस विल बी completed. I am riding a horse. मैं एक घोड़े में घुड़सवारी कर रहा हूँ या मैं घोड़े में चढ़ रहा हूँ. Understand? तो both are our verbs, but what the I is doing? I is riding. Main verb. What the I is doing? I is riding. It means riding is our main verb. And word am is our helping verb. Understand? I written it here also. In this sentence, the verb am riding is made of two verbs. Am is a helping verb and riding is the main verb. Student, here is a list of some helping words which you can note down in your notebook. Now later I will tell you what work you have to note down in your notebook and what no need to note down the work. Which work is no need to note down the work? This box you have to note down in your notebook, because these are the list of helping verb. Is, am, are, was, were. These are your helping verbs. Do, does, did. Has, have, had. Can, may, will, must, could. All these are your helping verbs, which you have to note down in your notebook. And one more thing, student, sometimes a sentence needs more than one verb. It means a sentence needs sometime one verb, sometime two, or sometime three also. Here I am giving you example. By this example you can understand the use of verb, one verb, two verb, and three verbs. Our first example is Ram drives a car. What the Ram is doing? Drives. Ram drives a car. Here only one verb and sentence is completed. Ram drives a car. Ram एक कार चलाता है. Nisha will read a story. Here two verbs are here. I highlighted it. Will and read. These are your two verbs. Without will, this sentence cannot be complete. Understand? Nisha will read a story. Nisha एक story पढ़ेगी. Now third one is Mohan will be singing a song. Now in this sentence here are three verbs: will, be, and singing. Okay, so don't think in a sentence only one verb will be there. It may be two, and sometimes it may be three verbs will be there in a sentence. Understand? Now my dear student, you don't note down all the work. If I will tell you note down all the work, then you will say मैम ने बहुत ज़्यादा काम दे दिया, हम थक गए. You note down first, you note down only this work, the verb and this definition. Understand? The definition of the verb. Then note down this main and helping verb from here to here. Don't write this explanation. Okay. Verb, there are two types of verb: main verb and helping verb. After that you can draw. Here is a list of some helping verbs. Now you can draw this box and write down all these helping verbs, the list of helping verbs. Understand? Only this much work you have to do in your notebook. First is definition, then main and helping verb, this heading in a cloud, then write down this and made this also. Verbs, two types of verb, main verb and helping verb. Understand? Then this box, these all are your helping verbs. You write it in your notebook and learn it also. Understand what work you have to do and what is no need to note down. And second thing, today I am giving you a homework in your notebook, in your English language book. Okay, look at here, this page. This is page number 18. Lesson is the verb. Your lesson is the verb and your homework is this. Exercise number 16. Exercise number 16. Pick out the verbs in the following sentences. These are 10 sentences from here to here, and you have to do this work in your book only. Where you have to do this work? Here in your book. Don't note down this book work in your notebook. Do it here only. You can write here HW. HW means homework. You can write here your homework HW, and you can write down the date here also. Date is 13/7/20. Understand? So this is your today's homework. Exercise number 16, page number 18. In this exercise, you have to pick out the verb. From where? From this sentence. One example is here. The dog barked at the thief. What the dog is doing? Dog is barked. Then this word barked is our barked. Barked is our verb. In second sentence, I am telling you verb. Okay. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. What the sun is doing? Sun is setting. Set means डूबना. सूर्य डूब रहा है. So this sets word is your verb. Write down like this. Understand? First you underline it here, then write it here, and do rest of the sentence as homework. Okay, student? Now I am closing my video. Thank you, student. Okay, bye bye.